Gapsy Incorporated, a well-recognized name in the unit paving industry, offers you the most reliable edge restraint system for paving stones. A self-contained system with no need for extra costly spikes or stakes. The Gapsy edge restraint system utilizes the weight of the paving stones to anchor itself. Gapsy is known for delivering quality installation of paving stones to hundreds of satisfied customers in the New York area, and for quality craftsmanship and innovation of original designs that have been recognized with 5 award-winning projects in the past 4 years by ICPI and Concrete Products Magazine as winners in their annual design and installation contest. The Gapsy Edge Restraint System provides numerous advantages over its competition. Convenient 3-foot lengths. System components work together, providing positive connections. Manufactured of high-density polyethylene. Withstands low temperatures. Non-corrosive, will not rot. Can be used for straight, circular, and radius applications with minimal cutting. Does not require extra metal spikes. Utilizes the load of the paving system to maintain transverse stability. Used for aggregate or concrete base installation. Allows proper vegetation growth along outside edge of paved area. Engineered to allow movement with the paving system, thereby minimizing damage from freeze-thaw soil conditions. Anchored belt design requires a minimum excavation and base material behind the edges of the paved surface. And many, many more. This is a typical installation of the Gapsy Edge Restraint System. Excavate the area to be paved and allow 3 to 5 inches of aggregate base for pedestrian traffic and 6 to 10 inches for vehicle traffic. Compact with a vibrating mechanical plate. Compacted base should be a minimum of 4 inches wider than finished paved area. Spread 1 inch of graded sand over compacted aggregate base. To level the sand, you can either use 1-inch tubular pipes or create sand ribbons for a more precise and controlled grade. Screed sand with a 1x4 aluminum or wood straight edge to create a flat and even surface for paving stones to be laid. Place belts over sand 12 inches apart and 4 inches past planned finished paved edge. Secure belts with included cross pins. The Gapsy Edge Restraint System requires a minimum amount of compact base on the outside edge of the paved area, since the belts that support the edge piece are anchored 18 inches beneath the paving stones. Install edge piece by connecting each section together and position it over belts. Edge pieces are secured together by molded connections on either end of the 3-foot sections. The Gapsy Edge Restraint System utilizes the same 3-foot length to accommodate curves, corners, and straight runs. It's easy to install and ensures a secure fit of the edge piece that abuts the perimeter of your paver's installation. Lay paving stone border over front lip of the edge system. Gapsy provides you with an edge restraint system that overcomes the shortcomings and limitations of others, an edge system that improves transversal stability and is applicable for residential and commercial applications. Make any final adjustments of the pavement border before securing the edge piece onto the belts by using the included 3-inch pins. Without the use of long spikes, you will reduce the risk of hitting underground utility lines. Install all paving stones up to the border and make all necessary cuts. Gapsy offers you the most reliable and least expensive edge restraint system to protect your client's investment and your reputation. The Gapsy edge restraint system can be used to secure the edge of paving stone pavement before a concrete slab is poured. Concrete can be poured up against the paving stone without removing the edge system. Since concrete and paving stone move differently in frost conditions, space bars on the front wall of the edge system will work as expansion joints by keeping the pavers a 1/4 inch away. On steep slopes and heavy water runoff situations only, lay 1 foot wide 4 to 6 mil plastic over belts before positioning the edge system. This will prevent any sand washout. The 3-foot section piece of the edge system allows ease of workability by bending large radius without cutting and contouring the ground without the use of any additional securing pins. Minimal cutting is required to make the edge piece versatile enough for straight and curved application. For inside radius, cut edge piece halfway between belts. For outside radius, cut edge piece close to belts. This will allow the edge piece to bend and stay tight with the paving stones. The Gapsy edge restraint system will allow you to remove any damaged paving stone in the border without doing any damage to the surrounding paving stones. After installing the Gapsy edge restraint system around the entire paved area, sweep dry, fine sand to fill the joints of the paving stones and over the edge piece. Leave a thin layer of sand over the pavers and compact paving stones with a vibrating plate machine. Refill the joints and compact pavement a second time. By installing the Gapsy edge restraint system, you will not experience any unwanted movements and you will not need to do any after compaction adjustments. Now that the Gapsy edge restraint system is installed, it will keep your paving stone project secure and prevent the pavers from moving over time. Installing the Gapsy edge restraint system is easy, clean, and quick without the mess and curing time of cement. You will be able to fill the joints with sand, compact over the border, grade soil next to the edge system, and wash the pavement immediately after installation of the edge restraint system. By using the Gapsy edge restraint system, you will speed up the construction of your project during and after installation. The Gapsy edge restraint system can be used to secure a row of paving stones, to outline a flower bed, or to create a gravel path, allowing grass to grow along the outside edges. Now that the edge restraint is installed, it will keep the paving system secured and allow grass roots to nourish alongside the paved area. Experience the advantages of the Gapsy edge restraint system on your next paving stone installation project. You'll wonder how you ever did without this truly remarkable innovation in the unit paving industry. Born from knowledge and experience of paving stone installation. The Gapsy edge restraint system. Call Gapsy Incorporated today at 1-877-GAPSY-1 or visit our website at www.gapsy.com.